Hello, today we will introduce our application Universal Password Manager. In our survey, the account hacks accidents happen continually. Many people used to set oversimple passwords and use same password in different websites. It is proved that the behavior is not reliable, so we designed this app and tried to address these problems and provide users with safer usage environments. Okay, next is our demonstration.
Thank you, Tiange. Next, I will introduce our app. The user should first log into the app by username and password. And the app will record the face of the user and verify the face of the user in later logging in. After logging in to the app, the user can operate on the password. If I click one of the password, I will show the password, and if I double click one of the item, I can copy the password to the clipboard. If I long touch one of the item, I can delete the item. The user can add accounts to the app. I enter the site name, the username, and the password. And the bar here shows the strength of the password. Also, user can shake the form to generate random password. It makes password generation like rolling a dice, making better user experience. We use the acceleration sensor to implement this functionality. Next, Xinping will continue our introduction.
Now let me demonstrate the cloud service and Face ID function. The survey of this system is a Django survey which is deployed in a Linux VM on Azure. When we click the button of push to cloud, the local accounts information will be uploaded to the server and saved to the database. When we edit the accounts on other devices, then we click the button pull from cloud. The account's information will be updated to this device. Next, as we all know, iPhone 10 was released last month. iPhone 10 is amazing with a creative function called Face ID. Our app has a similar function. Now let me demonstrate this function. When my teammate EJ logged to this app at the first time, his face information was saved in this app. Now I enter to this app again. It asks me to take a photo. Different persons try again. I counter logging to this app using my face. Let EJ log into this app. Now we can log in this app successfully. Actually, the API used to verify faces is provided by Microsoft. The Face API on Azure is great. This is the end of our demonstration. We also conducted second interviews with users who participated our first interviews. After using our app, the project manager Huang said the app saved his time. He also commented that the interface is simple and obvious with accurate description of buttons and tips. He also thought the face scan is interesting and novel. The student Han also left positive feedback on our app. His social media accounts are safe and he could switch accounts easily on different devices. Meanwhile, the student Xiong also demonstrated her credit card and social media accounts are under protection, but she thought the interface should be more attractive with some lovely icons and buttons. In conclusion, our app primarily solves the password problems, but it still has some limitations. We hope our app will be stable and comprehensive and provide more services for users. This is the end of our video. Thank you.